In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy USDT on Binance. So you can buy USDT on the Binance mobile app or on the computer. I'm going to show you how to do it on the mobile app. So once you've opened up the app, go to add funds in the top right hand corner. And once you've done that, you'll be given some options. This will change depending on your currency and your region. Click on buy with your currency. So for me, it says buy with AED. Click on that and it will give you the options to then choose the crypto. If you need to buy USDT, you can go ahead and search for it. Do note though, if you are going to switch the USDT to another cryptocurrency, you can just buy that cryptocurrency straight away. Now what we're going to do is type in USDT. We'll find Tether USDT and click on it. Then enter in the amount that you want to buy. So I'm going to put here 100 AED and it will show you the estimated quantity, which for me is 27 USD. Click select payment method and then it will take you to this window where you can add your payment method if you haven't already. Now this again will be different depending on you and what country you are buying from. You can go ahead and do bank transfer, card and Apple Pay for me. So select which one you want, then click confirm. After you've done that, you can go ahead and enter in your card details if you haven't already got one on file. For me though, I've got it on file, so I would enter in my security code on my card. We can click confirm, and just like that, the USDT will then be bought, and I'll be able to then see it once it goes through in my main account. So it's going to go through, you're going to get a confirmation, and you'll then see it in your balance. So that is how you do it.